The carry-on bars will expand the deck of your spicy curry and provide a 2-foot by 2-foot square platform. The first step is to insert this part of the bar into the longer part as shown. Leave the bolts loose and we'll tighten them in just a second. Insert the bar ends into the frame as shown, push up on the spring clips, and gently bring the carry-on into the position. Wait for the spring clips to click into place. Once the spring clips are in, go ahead and tighten down the 2 adjusting bolts. Do the same for the opposite side. The carry-ons can also accommodate a set of side boards. The side boards can slip into place here to form a truck bed. Press down and make sure the spring clips click into place. Using a 3mm Allen key, tighten the bolts to secure everything. That's it. You're all set. If you have any further questions, feel free to email our team at info@yubabikes.com.